how to make a TV out of a cardboard box for your kids. So you're gonna need a pencil, a knife or blade, tape, and a box. Start by closing the box and taping it, the top of it. Use a pencil and draw an outline of the cutout where the TV will be. Include features like buttons, a speaker. I'm doing more of a old retro TV style, but you can just use your imagination. Once satisfied with your design, use a knife or a blade to carefully cut out the screen and use a dark marker like a Sharpie to outline the features that you drew. Don't forget to include your favorite TV brand name. Side note, this isn't sponsored by Samsung. Flip the box around and cut out the opposite end of the open cutout. This cutout is so that your kids can get inside the box and pretend to be in the TV. Next, you want to tape the flaps on the inside, top, and the bottom of the box on both of the flaps. Next, we're going to build the antenna and attach it to the TV. Take a piece of your scrap and draw a semicircle and cut it out. Now duplicate this process. Next, you're going to draw a small slit on the top as thick as the cardboard and another small slit on the other piece on the bottom. Then use a blade and cut those slits out from those pieces. Then you put those pieces together as shown. This will create the base of your antenna. Next, you're going to cut 2 equal strips of rectangular pieces for the antenna top. Then you're going to cut a small 1-inch slit on one end of those rectangular pieces. Do this on both pieces. Next, you're going to make 2 slits at a 45-degree angle from the center in that semicircle piece and insert the antenna in there. The slits have to be really thin as a blade so that the antenna pieces fit right in, and put it back together. Next, we're going to make these attachment pieces that will hold the antenna to the TV box. You will need to make 2 of these. Next, place the antenna on the TV and mark the location where you're going to do the slit for the attachment of those 2 pieces that you just did. Next, take the blade and cut those slits that you just drew and insert those pieces into those slits. The pieces have to be in the center so that both ends are equal length. Next, on the inside of the box, you open the flaps in the opposite directions and you're going to tape them to the box so that way these attachments stay put. Take the antenna and mark where the attachments are located in respect to the antenna. Make sure it's somewhat symmetrical and in the center. Take the blade and cut in the marked locations about 3/4 of an inch. Install the antenna into the attachments we made earlier. It should be a very tight fit so that when the kids shake it or move it around, that it's not going to fall off. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share, and wait for the finale.